Hey everyone, and welcome to my art and design channel. Today we're actually doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to pay for the AI art generating program Midjourney. I'm going to be showing you how to set this up, how to pay for it, and also how to create your very own chat room with yourself and the bot, so you don't have all the noise of everyone else's images in your chat. I know that the thought of incorporating AI art into your workflow can be a little bit intimidating, and a lot of you are probably very against this. But trust me, there's actually nothing to be scared of. We're all creative people, and this is a new creative process that I think is worthy of some exploration and development. Let's face it, AI is coming, and I think that we all ought to have a little bit of a look and see what we can do with it, because it is extremely powerful. So from the perspective of a traditional artist who also dabbles in digital and other creative design forms, I definitely think this is something that is worth exploring. I know there's still a lot of problems, and I know there's still a lot of issues. However, I think that it is a very valid idea, to dabble in the world of AI art. It doesn't need to be, solely AI art either. You can use it to assist in your workflow. So the way I'm actually currently using it is actually for ideas generation, unlimited possibilities. I can look at a whole heap of different variations of, artworks and things that I am going to create in a traditional style. But I just have an, amazing sketchbook ideas, algorithm just sitting there waiting for me to use. And that's what I have been doing it. That's what I have been using it for. And again, super quickly before we get into the step-by-step tutorial, which is coming in about 1 minute, guys. The integration of AI into the art world is not a new phenomenon. In fact, every time a new technology has been introduced into the world of art, there has been a lot of resistance and fear about what it means for the future of the industry. But history has shown that these fears are often actually quite unfounded. I mean, we still have traditional art, today, and these new technologies do have the potential to greatly enhance and enrich the art world. So just very quickly going back, camera and photography. When photography was first introduced, many artists were concerned that it would render traditional artists obsolete quickly, and that art forms like painting and drawing would become obsolete. But actually what it's done is we've embraced it all in together, and it all works together quite nicely. Again, printing press and printmaking, it's allowed people to reach new audiences, and combined with traditional art and everything else, that's just another avenue that has caused a lot of resistance in the traditional art world. And obviously the third and most recent one, which is digital art. When digital art first came out, it was similarly met with this, great resistance and fear about its impact on traditional art forms. But today, digital art and, technology have been widely embraced and used by a whole lot of artists, probably like yourself, who are all here from a digital art channel where you are physically, drawing your art in some form of a design program. You can get, your iPad with Procreate and beautiful watercolor brushes and create, beautiful digital watercolor art and things, from a digital perspective, as well as, in traditional ways of making that art. Anyway, so without any more, chat about why I think that AI art is coming, it is coming. It is a new tool, and I think it's definitely something we need to explore. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for a paid account through Midjourney. Midjourney itself is a program where you type in prompts to the intelligence in the computer, in the web, and it generates you a picture based on what you tell it to say. So if you ask for a still life of fruit and vegetables in a traditional theme with dramatic lighting, it will create you that. And if you ask for a real photorealistic fairy with glitter in the background of a forest, that's what it will do as well. Alrighty, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a paid account with Midjourney. While I'm going to assume that if you are here looking for how to pay for Midjourney, that you probably already have logged into the Discord. I'm just going to very quickly show some of the newer people how to do that very quickly. If you want more information on this part of it, you'll have to go and find another video because I'm not going through this. But you just go to midjourney.com. This is the website here. You can see all these little speckles coming through here. And you're going to hit join the beta, and that's going to give you a link to a Discord channel. You will need to have a Discord account, which is this chat channel account, very well known for those of you that don't know that. And a lot of companies and a lot of groups, it's quite a modern thing with lots of gamers and things that have a chat channel in Discord. And Midjourney is run through this account. You must have Discord in order to run Midjourney at the present time. In fact, my top tip is that you go and set up your Discord channel first if you don't already have one. If you already have one, it should just come in, and you might just have to log in when you click on the button. But just go to discord.com and come to here and set up your Discord account. So I can just hit open Discord, but you might need to download that and create an account with Discord. So you'll get a link to their chat channel, and you're going to log in to Discord and Midjourney, and it's just a free account for the moment. You can go in and have a look without needing to pay for anything. In fact, you get a few minutes of design time before you have to upgrade and pay, and that's the bit that we're going to be going through today. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to show you how you can subscribe to Midjourney. So I'm just in the Discord. So I'm assuming that you guys have probably done like the free trial, and so you're in the Discord chat. And I've just into the trial support chat channel, but it can be, apparently it can be any channel you like. And you just subscribe to Midjourney and hit that. Let's go down to the bottom, and I'll push enter. Here we go. And then it says, this is your personal link, do not share it with anyone. So I am just going to open the subscription page, and it says, hang on, this will take you to Midjourney. Are you happy with this? And yes, funnily enough, I am happy with that. Alrighty, now obviously just at the top there it will say your name and things like that, but I've just cut that off the screen for the moment. And it says purchase a subscription, but do check to make sure that up the top here does actually have your account that you're planning on using, your Discord account that you're planning on using the subscription with. And you can tell here that you're signed in. It says sign out over here, so obviously I'm in the right spot. And you get to choose between yearly billing or monthly billing. So as you can see, like most things, it costs a little bit less if you pay for the entire year in advance, or you can pay an extra couple of dollars a month to have that flexibility of having that change there. So it's a 20% discount if you pay by the year. So just for the moment, I'm going to choose monthly billing, the easiest option. So monthly billing, and I'm just going to choose the basic plan. I'm probably going to switch over to yearly billing at the standard plan. That's, I think, where I'm probably going to end up going. But I am just going to do this one for the moment. So we're hitting subscribe. Okay, and see, obviously here you can see, let's just move that out of the way, we pop in our lovely credit card information just in here, and I'm obviously going to pause the camera for that. Alrighty, so obviously I put in my credit card information, and I just hit the subscribe button down at the bottom, and it's just taken me to this screen here. I also got a flash notification down in the screen down here to say, congratulations for subscribing to Midjourney. So here it says payment was successful and the subscription was activated. Use the Discord, bot to start creating, and I am just going to hit close on that. Alrighty, so here we are back in the trial support channel. It was just still open, so I haven't done anything different here. All I've done is I've just flicked over to this screen. And one thing that you can do is you can actually create your own chat channel. So for the moment, you know, most people were, you know, like doing their work in the newbies channel, so you've got everyone else's work flicking through the screen at the same time, and it would be just much easier if you didn't have all that little white noise that's going on in that other channel, and you had your own Discord channel to do. So we're going to go ahead next, and we're going to have a look at how to do that. It's really easy. It only takes about 30 seconds or so. Alrighty, so the first step that you want to do to create your own channel for your art is come down on the side of your Discord screen down here, and you want to add a server. Alrighty, and we're just going to hit create my own, and it is just for me at the moment, and it will automatically generate your name into there, but I'm just going to put in test Midjourney. There we go. So we're just going to call it test Midjourney, and I'm going to hit create. Okay. Now we come onto this screen here, and obviously we can't just use /imagine in here because it doesn't know what it's doing. We need to go back to the Midjourney Discord pages and add the bot into the server. It's really easy, so we're just going to go over and do that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go and find Midjourney down the side here. It's these little sailing boats. Alrighty, so now we are back over in Midjourney. I'm currently in the newbies channel, and I can see what I need is just right over here. So over on this side of the screen here, you'll see that there is a Midjourney bot. Okay, we're just going to click on that, and we're just going to hit add to server. And then you're going to select a server for that to go into. So there's a little drop down box here, and we're just going to click on that and select the test server that we have just created, this Midjourney. And then we're going to hit continue. And there we have blah 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 blah, and we're just going to push authorize. And then it's going to go, are you a human? Beep beep boop. Yes, I am a human. And daisies and pots. Oh, I don't know daisies and pots. Stupid freaking things. Okay. Watch me fail the thing. Yay, you made it, Midjourney bot. So that's just popped up, and now that is authorized. So that's amazing. And then the next thing we can do is we can go over into our test Midjourney bot, which is chat channel, which is over here. And that's this one here. And now let's see. /imagine. Let's just see flowers in a vase, because that's so original. And hurrah, there it is, it works. So they are my lovely flowers in vases. They actually look quite cool. They're all right. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to give you a 30-second tutorial on Midjourney. So obviously here I've been looking at doing some still life with lollipops and lipsticks and things like that, because that's what I paint. So I've been running through some ideas of a few things you know, to do with that, and I actually input a painting of mine so I could get some new ideas and generations of that particular you know, style of artwork that I wanted to do. And these are just all, you know, rough ideas. See, there's the picture of the painting that I actually did, and I was also looking for some still life ideas and things for the cosmetics, which I think are pretty funky. And I was also doing some artwork, so for some of my landscapes and things that I do, and it has just started pissing down outside. That is so loud. Is that thunder? It's Queensland, tropical. It gets a bit gnarly. That's not good. So yeah, a few things there. So the quickest tutorial I can possibly give you is, I'm just going to switch the screen actually so you can see down the bottom. Alrighty, so very quickly, down in the search bar, the way you use Midjourney is /imagine, oops, imagine, enter, and go nuts. You just basically type in anything into here that you want. So traditional still life vegetables, dramatic lighting, boom. And boom, there we have it. So in my haste there, obviously I have not actually put in traditional, I put in tradition, but there it is. We have our traditional still lifes. Don't they look interesting? Now, if you were going to be using this as, like ideas generations for, doing your own, traditional still life of vegetables, you can see how this could be extremely useful. And you can go through and make as many versions as you like. And these are the less detailed versions of them. So if you go in and upscale, so this will upscale the first one, this will upscale the second one, so make a bigger version of it with a little bit more detail. You can do that for the 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then the versions down here, this makes different versions of each one. So this will make 4 more versions of this picture, and this here will make 4 more versions of this picture, and same here with this one, and same here with this one as well. So as long as you type why can't I spell today? /imagine and then put in your prompt, you can put on whatever you like, and I strongly suggest that you go back and have a little bit of a look at some other tutorials that show you what amazing prompts and things that you can put in there. And it's a topic for another video, but I actually use another AI text generation program in order to create my create the prompts that go in there. But that might just be a little bit too much if you are brand new to AI. But that's okay, because so was I 2 weeks ago. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you now have a better understanding on how you can pay for your Midjourney accounts, and I wish you a lot of exciting creative time, because I have spent, several hours over the last few days doing absolutely nothing but enjoy. See you later.